Meaning of Graduate Management Admissions Test.
Graduate Management Admissions Test.
Graduate Management Admissions Test.
Graduate Management Admissions Test.
Graduate Management Admissions Test. The Graduate Management Admission Test, GMAT, is a standardized test used to measure aptitude and ability for graduate-level business studies. It assesses analytical, writing, quantitative, verbal, and reading proficiency skills in written English for use in admission to a graduate management program, such as an MBA. The test consists of 4 sections: analytical writing assessment, integrated reasoning, quantitative, and verbal. Scores range from 200 to 800, with higher scores indicating stronger performance. Many universities require GMAT scores as part of their admission process, and the test is considered a reliable predictor of academic success in business school.